later we go to traditional market and supermarket because today I want to cook some special Thai food for you. Later you will know I want to cook what. Let's go!
Huh?
This is Polly Kitchen. Today I want to cook Thai curry. I prepared already. Yes, follow me. I will introduce ingredients for you. This is coconut milk. This is coconut milk with water. This is Thai curry. Chicken, fish sauce, sugar, eggplant, basil, and chili. First step, I put the coconut milk half. Thai curry. Number 2. Before I put half, right? And I put number second time. This is coconut milk. If have more smell, we put the chicken. Now not yet. And we put chicken. Before we fry with the curry, Thai curry around 7 minutes. Put fish sauce. Put sugar. For little bit sweet. Okay. Put the coconut milk with water. This is the final step. Cook around 15 minutes for half smell for the curry inside the meat, the chicken. Yes, and this is the final. Put eggplant, chili.
泰国小厨娘。
Final step, basil. Put finish and we close. 好啦 finish แล้ว This is a Thai curry, Polly Kitchen. Can eat with Thai noodle and eat with rice. Kevin, come to eat.
好吃。如果不太能吃辣的朋友，跟我一样的话，就是可能辣椒不要放太多，因为泰国很多香料的部分。 用一些像是青辣椒啊，用辣椒啊这些成分去做一些 sauce 啊。Polly 还特地帮我煎了一个蛋，因为他知道我不太能吃辣，非常好吃，非常成功。那我们今天的影片就先到这边了哦。如果喜欢我们的朋友，请订阅我们的频道，或者是到我们的 Facebook 粉丝专页按个赞。那这一期的影片就到这边了哦，我们下集再见，拜拜。
Hello everyone, this is the Polly Kitchen. Before I tell about the about it 啦，okay.